right, YouTube. I don't know how this is going to come out. If it comes out slightly okay, well then you'll see this. If not, then I don't know what to tell you. But I am doing a very cheap version of a makeup brush holder and an earring holder, I think. So I've already started on a little bit and then decided I would, I guess, try to video it. I got these last year at the end of summer at Dollar General because they were like 25 cents. But, sorry, I just want to stand up and see. Yeah, we're still going there. So, but now you can still get them at Dollar General. I looked and they're 2 for $1. Obviously the 2. I'm not using this one because for the life of me, I cannot get that out. So whatever, I only need one, I think. So right now it is this like, it would be a nice color for outside, but it is not a nice color for the inside of my house. So right now we are just painting this white. That's it. That's not the color it's going to end up, but that's the color it is going to be right now. And give me 1 second because now I'm sitting here looking and I'm like, where is my painting easel? So today is Sunday. I think it's the last Sunday of January. I just want to see how everyone is doing, if y'all are doing great. My California adventure has been the worst adventure in my whole life, and I'm really trying to stay positive about it, guys, but it's almost impossible. Like, it's definitely not a fun adventure. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Sunday. It's the last Sunday in January. Not sure which one that makes it, but it's the last Sunday in January, and we decided to do a little DIY. So again, I'm still staying in California until March 30th, and I did just move into a new place. And well, it has a little bit less room and a lot less storage. So I was just trying to find kind of a cheap little way to put my makeup brushes up, but I also don't have a place for my earrings. And I'm hoping, sorry if I just moved you guys, I'm hoping that this little planter from Dollar General, which you can get from Dollar Tree too, is going to serve as a purpose for both, I hope. So my plan is to paint it white and then paint it pink because I do want it pink. And then I am going to, I think I'm going to put some sand and stuff in here to hold up my makeup brushes. And then I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to put holes in the sides here, and I'll be able to put my earrings on there. This is all just a plan. But I got these last year when Dollar General had their clearance, and they come 2 in 1. But I looked again this year, and there's still 2 of these for $1 at Dollar General. You can get them at Dollar Tree, but so our plan right now, I had already started, and then I was like, oh, maybe I could do a DIY for once. So literally my plan right now is we're just going to paint it white. And so you see, obviously, I've already started painting it white. And so I'm just going to paint this whole entire thing white. And then we're going to let it dry. And then we will come back and I'll tell you if I did a second coat or if I just decided to go with my basic color that I wanted. So it's going to be super simple. This video is probably going to be super short, which will make a lot of you guys like super happy. But I just thought I would come on, and I mean, you could use this like in your own bathroom. You know, I might go, I don't know, because at glass, I guess you really couldn't do that. You couldn't put like holes in it for your toothbrush holder, but I mean, you could put this in like your little girl's bathroom on her little vanity or something. You could get the smaller pots, and you could put them on hers, and she could have her own little makeup vanity thing and have her little makeup brushes or whatever in here. And then put all of her cute little earrings on the sides, if this works. I'm sure somebody could get it to work. It may not be me, but I figure if I give you guys the general idea, then maybe I'll find it one day where somebody else redid it, and I'll be like, oh, yep, that's what I wanted it to look like. So I'm just going to stop this video because nobody wants to hear me talk for this long. And like I said, we're just going to paint the whole thing inside and out white, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, I did forget on the first part of this video to say that I did sand this down a little bit just because the paint is not going to stick if it's not really sanded down. So we have our white base. Again, this is not for like a home that I live in full time. I'll be here for about 2 more months or something. So this is just perfect. And then I've thought about a lot of different things. I really wanted like a pink, kind of like with roses napkin to Mod Podge on here, but I don't have one. And right now, I really, you know, I'm not really wanting to run out to the store to get one. So I just have this, I had to wipe my finger off because I already got the paint over there, but I have these, like the sponge from Dollar Tree. And so I think we're gonna kind of see what we do. So I am just gonna put some of the paint on there. And now, unfortunately, I am holding on to the camera while I'm trying to do this. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, but I do like, okay, we're a mess, but I do like that technique. And so, hold on, let me see if I can get this to stop rolling around for a second until, that might help it. Y'all, I will use anything to like adapt things. So, yeah, I think we're just going to put pink around here as much as we want like that. I don't know, I'm going to use 3 different kinds of pink. I also have my white here for just in case, and I'm just going to go around here and splotch on it, and then I guess we'll see where it goes. And if it's ready to hold or actually it'll have to be ready for the next step, which is poking the holes for our earrings. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, I don't know how this is going to come out. I feel like I'm going to have to do a lot of fixing after my video's over, but I did all the little splotching everywhere I wanted. I am thinking about covering it though in, let's see, I have a matte Mod Podge, but I think I'm going to cover it in a gloss Mod Podge in just a little bit. I just don't know yet. I just want to make sure. Okay. But, so please remember, this is not my home, nor will it ever be after the past couple of weeks. But, so I'm literally living in like the worst Airbnb you could ever imagine. So I'm just working with the tools that they have. And do I suggest using this? No, guys, because this has, like, not unless you've had a TV shot. But again, I'm just working with what I can. And so I just want to put a hole in here. So I want to show you first what I did. So I put a piece of my sponge, like the Dollar Tree sponge, in here so that the side didn't cave down a lot. So I just shoved it up in there. I didn't want it to keep like shoving down, and I had to hold it up with my hand. So I just shoved that under there to give it a little bit more pull. And I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to make my circle. I'm going to do it twice, and then we will go in there and see like, if it went all the way through. I'm sure you all could find something else. Again, I'm just trying to adapt to what I have right now. So, okay, so there's both of my holes. So now I just want to see if it's a full hole. Yep, so that one went around to the back, and that one went around to the back. So I'm just going to go around this a little bit more. You can see the 2 holes right there. I'm just going to go around this a couple more times to put some more holes for my earrings in it. And then yeah, we'll put the sand and stuff in it and see how it works. All right, so I poured our sand in here from the Dollar Tree, and now I am putting our earrings on here. And so I know a lot of you are going to be like, oh my gosh, you just used that dirty thing and then you're going to put your earrings on it. I just want you all to know that I clean my earrings off before I put them on every time, because sometimes I don't know like how long it has been since I've worn them or how much dust is on them. So I clean them off every time. I don't know about you guys. And I just want to show you guys that I'm just clipping them on here. And I mean, you can see these were big hoops and they are still staying. And so that one fell out because I'm trying to hurry here. I don't know if that one, yeah, that one's not. Okay, this one actually has a problem on the back anyways when I wear it, because I can never get it to, Okay.
He took a big portion of our lives away.
Okay, like I said, I have a problem with it anyways, staying in my ear, but we'll see. Anyways, I have more holes, but this is how this is gonna, ooh, I'm knocking you guys over. And let's get our brushes and then it's done. Actually, it's coming out way better than I thought. So let's get our brushes. Here it is. So I did want to tell you guys, I had one of the sand containers I showed you, and then I did add some of the green rock that I had here at home. Again, if I was like, I'm not at home, but if I were in my own home, I wouldn't have added that. I would have done it better, but I am still so excited. So I can just have my earrings right around here because I am trying to, like, space can save. Again, I have more holes down the side, but I just did these ones to show you. And then I have all of this, and I am so excited about how it came out. Like, how cute would this be for like a little girl's thing? I mean, they wouldn't probably have this big of earrings, maybe, but I love how it came out. You could put like your letter right there. You could put some jewels on here. Again, this I'm only using for 2 months, but I am so in love with how it came out. So I hope you guys are also, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.